Search Hivepress here, then you will get this result. You can find here Hivepress business directory and classified ads plugin. Click install now. Click activate. Plugin is activated here, right? You can see Hivepress here, listing here, vendors here, right? Go to first Hivepress, then click themes. Go down, you can see here listing Hive, which is free. Click install. Successfully install the theme listing Hive. Now click activate. Listing Hive theme is activated. Now let's check the site. Let's visit. You'll get the site like this. This is by default. This is from the makers of the theme, makers of the plugin, right? These two are my demo posts, right? Demo listing. Stay tuned for another tutorial.